This is gonna blow your mind. Quick fixes for that stubborn cough you never knew existed. First up, honey. Mix a spoonful in hot tea or warm water. It's a natural cough suppressant. Next, try ginger. Boil slices in water for a soothing tea. Don't forget turmeric milk. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can ease your throat. And sip on peppermint tea. It opens airways and reduces coughing. Finally, keep hydrated. Fluids thin mucus and keep your throat moist. There you have it. Natural, effective ways to kick that cough to the curb.